Well, the kids start working with their dogs in March, and we do workshops a couple times a month, plus they're supposed to work with their dogs every day at home in preparation of the fair. So it's a long process to get the dogs to learn everything that they need to know. And this is the final result of everyone's hard work. It's great to see how much they grow in the 6 months time since we started with our workshops the 1st of March until fair, and I hope everybody is really enjoying themselves and having a good time while they're here.